So the unit we're demo right now is going to be our VGA short distance pigtail extender. The TNT part number for this is R02S-EXT-35A-P. And the units right here, we have a receiver and transmitter. Now, both of these are being powered by a micro USB port, which you see here, right here. These two are micro USB ports, and this will be powering the units. And these are the RJ45 jacks, as well as the audio port. This one only has a mono audio. So, like I said, now this also includes EDID learning, and to do that, I'll show you how to do that also in a second. Now, the equipment I'm going to be using for this video demo is going to be the ASUS monitor, which is a VGA port, as well as a PC. Now, the PC I'm using only has main display port out, so I have an adapter here. If you are going to test it, I would recommend using a shorter one, because these adapters are finicky, and during testing I did see problems with it, but it does work. I was able to get it working. So if you're using an adapter, be aware the adapter might have problems. It's best if you have a computer that's VGA only, which I did testing outside with it. So I did use another computer, but this computer right here is just for show you right now. So first thing, you need to plug it on real quick. Plug everything in real quick, just to show you like a general layout. So also additionally, I'm using since this is picking power from USB, I have two 3-foot USB Type A to micro cables. One's going to PC, which I'm going to plug right here to the transmitter unit. The other one I'm using is going to be something like just a small USB power adapter with the cable attached to it. I'm going to use to power the transmitter side, the receiver side. But I'm going to plug it in either. So now also going to plug in the cable. I'm using a 500-foot skew-free cable. This is the 06K. But it's a 500 feet low skew. And also the audios. Like so. So that's the audio. So that's the transmitter side. Receiver side, I'm just gonna plug it in. Okay. And the power. Here, once I plug in the power, you already hear the sound passing through. So I'm gonna turn the volume down, or turn it off actually. Turn the volume down. So here you see. Okay. Video comes up. I hit detect. It is showing. Pull up this. See, like I said, with the adapter, it might have some kind of link issue, but it will work. It'll still work. Just not well. So, you need to bring up the desktop properties. Or detect this away. So here you see, right now the display I have right now is the Acer. Obviously not the ASUS. So right now I'm going to show you real quick on how to do the EDID learning. So let me unplug the receiver, unplug the transmitter, I unplug everything else out, unplug the power. Like our other units, you just plug the transmitter onto the monitor, and then plug in power. Now when you do plug in power, you'll notice there's an orange light here. Let me unplug it again and show you. When you plug in power in, you'll see the orange light. When the orange light's on, it's reading. But once it turns off, you can unplug it. It's done reading, you can unplug it. We'll plug the receiver back in. And plug the power back into all this stuff, connect the transmitter back on. So here we go. Here you see image come back up. Now let me just hit this tech display again. You see it change from Acer to the PA246, which is the model of this Asus monitor. Now, since I'm using a 500-foot cable, the max resolution we spec to is 1024x768, and right now I'm higher than that, so let me just change it to that. Hit apply. So here you go, 1024x768 resolution. And also, if you do find, you can also adjust the EQ quality. So right here, let me just change it to, which I found was better. It was like around 7. So here it is. Video clarity, really well, excellent, considered excellent for VGA at 1024x768, going over 500 feet. And audio is also working. And that's this unit. I have done testing with all these other monitors and a different computer that has a strictly VGA output, and it works the same way.